What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. I've been wanting to switch up the look of my 86 for a little while now, and a lot of you have been telling me that I need to paint match the carbon hood and fenders that I have on it. As much as I would love to do that, that could be pretty expensive. So what I'm going to be tackling myself is taking off the body kit and painting that. Specifically, we're going to be taking off the front splitter today. That way we can paint match it using this kit that I got from TouchUpDirect. If you've never heard of TouchUpDirect before, they're a brand that offers OEM color matched paint for cars, including paint pens, spray cans, and complete kits with everything that you would need. So I'm going to go ahead and get this package unboxed, and I'll show you guys everything that comes within the kit. First, opening up the package, you'll see the actual paint itself. Up next, we have some primer and clear coat. I'm no professional painter and I don't really have much experience doing it either, but what's really nice about the Platinum Touch-Up Kit is that TouchUpDirect includes everything that you would literally need, including some gloves, wax and grease remover, some polishing compound, some test papers, some masking tape. That way you can still get a professional and high quality job only using spray cans and doing it yourself. So let's go ahead and get the front bumper taken off the car so we can remove the front splitter and begin the prep work. I brought the front bumper over here onto this blanket, that way I can lay it down and get the front splitter removed. Now we can make our way over to the back side where these bolts and nuts are and get them all undone. Before we can begin prepping this thing for paint, one thing I'm gonna have to for sure do is get this thing cleaned off, because if you guys watched the last video, you would have seen my car got absolutely filthy. Now that we just got the front splitter all fully wiped down, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this sandpaper right here. That way we can remove the glossy black paint. Now that everything's pretty much fully sanded down, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this tack cloth right here and get the front splitter fully wiped down to remove any dirt or debris. So I went ahead and moved over to the backyard just so it'd be a little bit easier for us to work on this. Before we can paint it, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this wax and grease remover just so we can wipe it down one last and final time. We're gonna go ahead and start off with this primer right here and go ahead and put a light coat on the front splitter. So it's been around 15-20 minutes since I put that first coat of primer on. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and put a second coat on now. That looks pretty good for a second coat. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry for around 15-20 minutes and then come back out here and do one more. I mentioned earlier that TouchUpDirect has a bunch of OEM colors to paint match it to your car. I know not all of you have Neptune Blue 86s like I do, but what's really awesome is on their website, you can see all the different OEM color codes that they have. They even have Solar Shift Orange, which I'm pretty sure is only like 860 86s that were actually made in that color. For painting my car, I'm gonna be using Neptune Blue, otherwise known as DAR, for the paint code. They give you this little test card, that way you could spray the paint and guarantee that it's the exact color match that you're looking for. For whatever reason you aren't satisfied or just the color isn't perfect, they actually do a one-time do-over to ensure that the color is exactly what you're looking for. To use the little test card that they give you, you'll go ahead and apply a couple coats of the actual paint itself and then wait for that to dry and then apply the clear coat. And you just go ahead and do that right on the back side of it, right here where it says test. I'm gonna go ahead and get the paint shooken up for about a minute or so. You're always gonna wanna go ahead and start off from like right here and work your way inwards or vice versa. You never wanna just start off right in the middle. Oh my gosh. That, just the first spray alone, that already looks almost identical. But this gives us a really great idea of how the paint's gonna look. Now that we know that the paint looks good, we can go ahead and grab the can right here and begin spraying it onto the front splitter. The first coat's always gonna be more on the lighter side, and then when the second and third coat comes around, that's when you apply more of the paint. Bro, this looks insane. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so good once it's fully done. I got this second coat fully put on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for this to dry and put one final coat. Finally, we're on to the clear coat stage. For this, I'm gonna go ahead just like before and apply one light first even coat. Coat number 2. It's time for the third and final coat. That third coat was on the heavier side, so I'm gonna go ahead and just let this sit for around 20 or so minutes, and then we should be good to go ahead and just install this back onto the front bumper. For me doing it myself and not taking it to like a professional shop, I honestly think it came out really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do now is just get it attached back onto the front bumper. So I brought the front bumper and the splitter back over to the car. Man, look at how crazy that looks. They're legit pretty much identical. You really can't even tell a difference between the two. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the front bumper put back onto the car now. That looks good. Alright you guys, so it's been a few days since those last few clips that I filmed. I wanted to make sure that the paint was fully cured and done drying before I showed you guys the final look. There is one more thing that I want to do, however, which is put on this polishing compound. It says to wait a few days and then apply it to the area that you just painted. The way you do this is by applying it to like a microfiber towel, and then you use it in a circular motion. That way you can get a nice shiny finish. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get the garage opened up. That way I can show you guys the final look of the front splitter, and that way we can apply the polishing compound. Right now to this location where I'm gonna go ahead and grab some photos. You guys, I'm looking at how the front splitter looks now, and it looks amazing. Without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut straight into the photos and cinematics. You guys, look at how crazy this view is. Oh my gosh. So really quickly, I just wanted to give a massive shout out again to TouchUpDirect for making this video possible. Like I said, I'm in love with the way the front splitter turned out, and their Platinum Touch-Up Kit was the exact thing that I was looking for to get the job done. If you're interested in getting one for your car, I'll leave the links in the description down below. That way you can check out their website. With that being said, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new. That way you can stay up to date on all the content that I post with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.